8 Signs You Are Smarter Than Most People. Hey there, Psychology Facts family. Have you ever wondered if you are actually smarter than most people around you? In today's video, we'll reveal 8 surprising signs that you might be a genius in disguise. Sign 1, Curiosity. You're incredibly curious. Smart people are always eager to learn and explore new ideas. They ask questions, seek answers, and are never satisfied with the status quo. Just like Albert Einstein once said, "I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious." Sign 2, Adaptability. You're highly adaptable. Intelligent individuals can easily adjust to new situations and embrace change. They're not afraid to step out of their comfort zone and tackle challenges head-on. Remember, Charles Darwin believed that it's not the strongest or the most intelligent who survive, but those who can best adapt to change. Sign 3, Open-mindedness. You're open-minded. Smart people are willing to consider different perspectives and entertain new ideas. They don't cling to their beliefs blindly but are always ready to revise their opinions based on new information. As the saying goes, the measure of intelligence is the ability to change. Sign 4, Self-awareness. You're self-aware. Intelligent individuals have a deep understanding of their strengths and weaknesses. They're not afraid to admit when they're wrong and are constantly working on self-improvement. Socrates famously said, "To know thyself is the beginning of wisdom." Sign 5, Critical thinking. You're a critical thinker. Smart people don't just accept information at face value. They analyze, evaluate, and question everything. They're always on the lookout for logical fallacies and biases, ensuring that their beliefs are grounded in reason and evidence. Sign 6, Voracious reading. You're a voracious reader. Intelligent individuals have an insatiable appetite for knowledge and are constantly devouring books, articles, and other sources of information. As the great Dr. Seuss once said, "The more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you'll go." Sign 7, Emotional intelligence. You have high emotional intelligence. Smart people are not only skilled in understanding complex concepts but also in navigating the intricate world of emotions. They're empathetic, compassionate, and able to connect with others on a deeper level. As Aristotle put it, educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. Sign 8, Humor. Sign number 8, you have a great sense of humor. Intelligent individuals often have a sharp wit and can find humor in even the most mundane situations. They're quick to make connections and see the absurdity in everyday life. After all, laughter is the best medicine. Now that we've shared these 8 signs of intelligence, we want to know, how many of these traits do you possess? Are there any other signs you think we missed? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating psychology facts and relationship advice. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world around you.